Today we're going to install this lid latch on this Ford F-150 2011 through 2018. As you can see, when you purchase this from bonewells.com, it comes like this. It has a first on this side and a second with the spring on this side. So what you're going to do is take the spring, put it on the second side, and orientate it so this hook goes around that, and the end of the spring is pointing down and towards the front of the vehicle, just like that. And then you're just going to take the first side and push it all the way in, and then just push up a little bit on the second side, and it's in. Good to go. Flips up, holds your stuff in. And if you would like to take it back off, you can just push in from the spring side again, give it a good little push, and then take it out. Thanks.